Hello, this will be a quicker episode of Herbal History. In this episode, we'll cover Phylacteris isora, also known as Avartani. In this episode, we'll cover a brief introduction to the species, a little bit of history of this plant, its biology, and some of its potential medical properties. Let's start with its biology. This plant is a deciduous small tree or shrub that exists between 1.5 and 3 meters in height. The young branches are hairy, serrated leaves that are heart-shaped in nature, or sometimes oval. The flowers are sparse and red-colored, with twisted petals. These flowers fade to blue as they get aged. The fruit are greenish-brown with a little beak shape on it, and the fruit are shaped like corkscrews. Now on to the folklore. In Ayurvedic medicine, it is used as an ingredient for anti-diarrheal medicine, as well as an ingredient for pain relief medication, also in Ayurvedic tradition, as well as various other Ayurvedic medications. In other folklores, such as the folklore of Konkan, the fruit are used as a remedy for snakebite. Again, personally I wouldn't recommend using this. This is just history right here. It is also used for diarrhea and constipation in newborns. It is also used by tribal people in the Singhbum district of Bihar as an amulet to treat malnutrition, known by the locals as doubly disease. Now on to the possible pharmacological activities. They have found that this plant produces antioxidants that take care of free radical oxygen species. There's also some studies that seem to suggest that an extract of the bark of this plant species can bring down the cholesterol in diabetic rats, which means that this plant shows some promise for future diabetes medications in the future, although we won't know until the test is finished. Well, that about covers everything. See you in the next one.